Here's how you can enable the setting that allows to show your player on the lock screen for your Xiaomi or Poco phone with Android 15 HyperOS 2. To have your music player shown on your lock screen, you'll go ahead and use the quick access like this here, and this is with HyperOS 2, and you'll see the settings toggle right there. Tap on that one time, and once in this section here, you're gonna go down to the part that says privacy. So go down to privacy. This one right here, the one that just says privacy only. Now, as you enter here, you're going to see these different privacy options. So go down until you see the part that says show media on lock screen, this one right here. That's right, it's part of this setting, not the lock screen setting. So this is going to allow for your player to show on your lock screen. So now that you have that turned on, let's just say we go into the lock screen. What's going to happen, you're going to see a bigger view of it first once you wake up your screen, whether it's the power button or the wake. You'll see this here. And not all Xiaomi or Poco phones will do this. And if this happens, you can still control it from here or simply do the swipe to unlock. And then you'll have this right here. You'll see the lock screen like this here. And this is where the mini player comes in for you to take control of as well. So if you want this, that's the setting that's gonna show up there for you. And of course, you can disable it if you don't like it in the future, like and said.